Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Drift AI for conversational lead qualification, full guide step by step clearly. To install Drift AI for conversational lead qualification, start by visiting the official Drift website. Create an account if you don't have one, or log in to your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings section in the dashboard. Look for the integrations tab and click on it. Scroll down to find the Drift AI section. Click on Get Started to begin the installation process. You may be prompted to select the type of integration you want. Choose the platform that best fits your business needs, like HubSpot, Salesforce, or others. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen platform with Drift AI. You might need to provide API keys or other authentication details during this step. After connecting your platform, navigate to the chatbot section of the dashboard. Click on Create a new bot to start customizing your conversational lead qualifier. Choose a template that suits your business goals. You can customize the greeting message to engage visitors effectively. Next, define the questions your bot will ask potential leads. Keep the questions straightforward to ensure clarity. Add answer options where applicable, using multiple choice or free text. Set up lead scoring parameters based on the responses captured. This helps prioritize leads for follow-up. Once you're satisfied with the bot's configuration, proceed to the preview phase. Test the bot's functionality to ensure it behaves as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing results. When ready, click on Launch to activate your Drift AI chatbot. To embed the bot on your website, copy the provided code snippet. Paste the code into the HTML of the web pages where you want the chatbot to appear. Finally, monitor the performance of your chatbot from the Drift dashboard. Analyze the collected data to refine your lead qualification process over time. This completes the installation of Drift AI for conversational lead qualification. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.